Congratulations to the entire cast. Parang the first two episodes gave us a glimpse on what we can expect in the next parang coming episode ng series. Now, my first question is it's for the younger member of the cast. Kasi parang lahat sila may bubog eh. Parang may pinanggagalingan. So my question is, since the topic being discussed in the series is all about mental health. So what aspect of mental health that your characters are going through that you wish the viewers can resonate with? So let's start with
Can we start with Kyle? Kyle, ang ganda ng tanong, would you like to bilang ikaw kakapitan yung pero may pinipinpoint si Nikki na the mental health ni your character?
Well, my character naman, there's a reason why I relate to him, pero hindi pa pwede sabihin kasi hindi niyo pa po nakita. But that's also why I was very excited to do this project. Kasi I feel like for a lot of us in this cast, especially sa aming mga teens, may mga pinagdadaanan talaga kami. Mental health is a really big thing. It's real, and gusto lang talaga namin ipakita, open up that conversation for everybody, like Elijah said. Para sa akin naman, my connection with my character is sobrang mahal niya yung pamilya niya. He's that guy that he just wants to do good in life, kahit pipilitin siya gumawa ng mga bad things, even if that means even if he has to do that just to take care of his family. And that's something that I related to growing up. If we go back to the past year in my life, di ko pa po pwede sabihin po talaga kung bakit ako nakaka-relate kay Obed. Pero I feel like the more you watch the show, the more that will unfold. And makaka-relate yung mga bata ngayon na sobrang mahal nila yung mga magulang nila. Yeah, it goes deeper than that.
Thank you.
Sexy ng boss. Go ahead.
Can you have JK?
Just the teen cast, right?
Yes.
So, sorry po ulit, the question was basically parang
sa mga viewers na who might be going through the same situation, parang ano yung aspeto ng sa character mo na sana gusto mong makarelate sila?
I feel like it's really the whole concept of being misunderstood. I guess it's really that. Kasi for Gino, Gino is this brooding bully na anak ng may-ari ng school, kaya sobrang yabang niya sa school kasi napaka-powerful ang pamilya niya, ganyan. But then he's going through so much with his family. Diba, Dad? Tapos, ang sasaya ng mga scenes namin lagi ang bibigat. Sobra. So ang grabe yung pinagdadaanan ni Gino na kumbaga trauma and all of these things that he's going through with his dad, and kumbaga yun yung mga bagay na nadadala niya dun sa school. And I guess it's the whole concept of parang, never easily judge people because you don't really know what they're going through.
Yes.
And that it's always the cheesy quotes and it's always the cheesy sayings that are always true and it always hits home, right? All those never judgeable points cover. It's always true. Never. I mean, always try to understand that a lot of people, all of us, each and every one of us, are going through different things at different times. So I guess that's really it for me. The whole concept of being misunderstood and yeah.
Thank you, JK.
Yeah. Carlos.
Let's have Elijah.
Elijah na.
Aside from yung mga sinabi nila, siguro yung just yung fact na marami rin nakakaranas ng mga nakakaranas mo. Kasi lalo na sa mga times na kapag may mental health problem talaga, minsan inisip mo lang makakaintindi sa akin. Ako lang makakaintindi sa sarili ko. And then mapupush ka to give up. But then like sa dami ng characters ng show na to, sa dami ng mga problemang natatakal, and it seems really realistic, like sobrang parang makatotohanan talaga yung mga problema, and marami akong mga kilala that really go through the same thing. So parang aside from yung mga sinabi nila, hindi ka nag-iisa sa mga problema mo. Maraming nakakaintindi sa'yo. And syempre right now yung mga napakita pa lang is like yung causes of why they struggle with mental health or why they struggle the way they struggle. Pero eventually mapapakita yung, I guess, yung mga solutions to it, you know, just by not being alone, you know.
Thank you,
Thank you po.
Elijah. And finally, let's have Blythe.
Like,
I think I'll start po muna with Luna. I think Luna represents the people who don't really know themselves yet. Yung lagi nagsisik ng validation from others. Pagiging people pleaser. And I think dun yung makikita kung paano maapektuhan yung mental health ninyo if you don't really know yourself. And imbes na validation from yourself, hinahanap mo sa iba. Tinatay mo makijoin sa iba. Mas madali ka kasing apakan pag ganun. Mas madali kang utus-utusan kapag di mo alam yung worth mo, yung value mo. Mas madali ka mabully at maapi. And honestly, there was a part of my life where I was Luna. Kaya I really relate to this girl a lot. Especially kapag napasama ka sa mga mas matataas sa yung mga tao, mas madali ka kasing maapakan. And if hindi mo talaga kilala at mahal yung sarili mo, talaga maapektuhan na yung mental health mo and pwede kang tulad ni Luna ma-depress. And if hindi ka open kasi, if hindi mo paglaban yung sarili mo, kasi madaming tao na nandyan para sa'yo. And then, you know, mas mabuti pa rin na kung kailangan mo ng tulong, lapitan mo yung pamilya mo, mga kaibigan mo. Don't be scared to speak up for yourself. Makita naman natin yung consequences talaga dito sa show na to if hindi mo magawa yung mga ibang mga bagay. For Sky naman po, I think she represents yung mga anak na parang naiwan ng parents nila. Yung mga parents nila na nandyan, pero wala. Mga neglected po at yung wala talagang mother figure or father figure sa buhay nila. At JK, I think na-represent niya din yung mga misunderstood kids. Kasi I know Sky might come off as parang nakakairita siya na anak. Pero sana maintindihan din na hindi dahil anak nyo lang kami, dapat talaga sobrang respetuhin na namin yung nanay namin dahil ang nanay namin kayo. Pero wala naman kayo nabigay sa amin na pagmamahal. Feeling ko siya yung anak na hindi kasi inintindi, hindi kasi sinamahan, hindi nakaranas ng pag-aalaga ng tama. Kaya siya naging super cool, kaya siya naging sobrang palaban sa sarili niya po. So I think yun naman yung nare-represent ni Sky. And of course, nare-represent din ni Sky yung mga hindi nabibigyan ng, ay, pwede na kayo sabihin.
actually, okay ka pa, na tama pa rin. Okay ka
Hindi
pa.
nabibigyan ng,
From what was
basta, I think napakita din naman sa trailer na andito si Sky para hanapin yung totoo. Para ipaglaban yung kapatid niya, yung kampal niya. So I think nire-represent niya din yung mga tao na hindi pa nakakahanap ng hustisya sa kung ano man yung pinagdaanan nila sa buhay. Ayun po.
Alright,
Very well
thank you,
said,
Blythe.
no?